Here we are heading to the Pumpkin Festival. This old Westham Island bridge, it's a spinning bridge so the boats can get through it. It's an old sucker, alright. Yep. Okay, so here we are at the Pumpkin Festival set up. Just getting started here.
There's another big one over here.
Some little ones looking at pumpkins. So, yeah, it's still a little bit early. I got my gum boots on, and you know, you're at the Pumpkin Fest, so you better get some pumpkins. I got some pumpkins to carve for some friends of mine, so I'm going to go out to the field out there, grab some pumpkins. Okay, so we got our little wagon here to go get our pumpkins. Good thing I went home and got the gum boots. It's pretty muddy out here. There's a few vendors out here. Usually they have they have Christmas sales and stuff. This is a very, very popular farm here in my town, guys. So it was quite the honor to be set up, to be invited to come here. You can see my pumpkins way over there. Okay, so let's go get some pumpkins. Hi. Nice pumpkins, guys. See what I do for my friends? Look at all the pumpkins out here, guys. I'll be happy when this season's over. Okay. See what we got here. Okay, there's a good one. Oh, jeez. I gotta put my phone down. Hold on, I'm gonna put my phone in my pocket. There you go. There's my two pumpkins. I like this one because it's got the big stalk on the top still. Looks kind of spooky. Okay. Wicked. Maybe I should grab one more. Just a little one. First time I got the big stalk on it. Okay, I say it's bingo. We're good to go. I don't even know why I'm making this silly little video. Okay guys, got my pumpkins. Make sure they're not rotten. I like this one, it's green too. There she be. Okay, for all you that know me, I've changed my mind. I want to get a taller, skinny pumpkin so I can carve a wood spirit in it. You know what I mean? So, where's the tall, skinny pumpkin? Look at this little fruitcake here. What am I thinking here? What am I doing? I don't don't know. I can't friggin' make up my mind. Okay, here's one. That's it. This one's good enough. This little guy. I'll save you. I'll save you. Unless I see a different one I like in here. Oh, actually, no. Here's a better one. I'll save you. Oh, jeez. Okay, that's it. Let's go. I'm done. Pumpkins here. Oh, I don't know if this one will stand up straight. Okay, that's it. This one's good. Silly little pumpkin. Okay, we've made it to the pumpkin washing station. Oh, man, I'm out of shape. Let's see if this little guy stands up on his own. He doesn't stand up on his own. That's okay. There's a nice pumpkin here. This guy's got a dent. Last time I wore gumboots was when I was on the roof. Okay, we're done. And what do you know, guys? They gave me the pumpkins for free. Just goes to show you. It's all karma. Good things come back to, I don't want to say good people, but you do good things for others, slowly you'll get rewarded, I guess. I don't know. Shut up, Jordy. Load the pumpkins. I'll check in a minute here.
I did the question, where do we live? So.
Okay, Ladner, bud, Ladner. One gone, 19 to go. Here's another show note to Evil Rick drinking my coffee. Hey, Corey, what's happening? I carved it. This is my nephew, Corey. Corey, say hi. Corey, say hi. That's my sister's son. That's a big guy, eh? See the trees too I carved, Corey?
How did you make them? How did you make this one?
My chainsaws.
When did you make them?
Last week. Where's Mom?
Over there.
You gonna buy a pumpkin?
How much are they? What is this? Nothing.
It's a little wood spirit. Here's my sister Julie. Hey Jill, did you bring some money for a pumpkin?
Mom.
Oh yeah, Jewel, grab one of these Christmas cards. This is mine and Pete's Christmas sale. November 2nd. Me, Pete, Blair, and Stu Watts. So you gonna be there? Right on. Bring your gold card. Corey.
What do I hit?
The pumpkins are $50, guys. Oh, no, that's a big one. That's a big one. There's a few that are 60. Most of them are 50. That's okay. That's my
Okay guys, live at Emily Farms. Maya, say hello. Corey and Maya eating the s'mores.
Thanks, guys.
Good job.
I'm taking a picture. They have debit here?
Yes.
Thank you. Choose which one you want. Okay, so that wood is just a still. Look, it's pumpkin burls. Hey Pete, pumpkin burls. That one's got them too. Hey Liz, look who showed up. It's Fuck Bob. Fuck Bob. There's Uncle Rob. Say hi, Uncle Rob. You guys, look at this yew wood that I got from Vancouver Island. Bob brought me back. This is Pacific yew wood, guys. Look at that shit right there. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Fuck Bob. Grab that fence shit. Here, so look, even my stepdad Bob.
You're a good-looking stepdad.
Yeah, my handsome stepdad from Belfast, Ireland. Hey Alex, I was telling you about my family in Belfast. What side of Belfast, Bob?
West Belfast.
West Belfast.
The Brit side.
So would it be the what was it, Protestants and stuff like that? So we'd be Protestant family?
Loyalist.
Loyalist family. Okay, so there you guys don't go because there's a couple of followers on my YouTube channel from Ireland.
They probably don't go on now saying I'm a loyalist.
So anyways, they came down to say hello. And Maggie's friend here. So we're at Robin, she's where are you from, Robin?
Australia.
Yeah, she's from Australia. And she's an artist herself. She talked to me about my art when I just kind of did black and white stuff. But she told me to put some color into my paintings and stuff like that. So she's the one that colored my world. And that's why you get these nice colorful pumpkins here. So thanks for coming, guys.
Good to see you.
Yeah, you too. All right, it's piss and rain, guys. All right. It's kind of slow here today, but people are keeping coming and going steadily. She's got some baby clothes for sale there.
Where did she go? Oh, there she is.
Cowgirl and cowboy.
Yeah.
What's the name? Country Mama Tees. All right. Hey guys, I just got home from the Pumpkin Festival. Just want to say that it was kind of a quiet day. You know, it's November, so the weather's not very good. We didn't have a very good day. It was raining all day, but you know, I just want to say it's all about getting out there and getting your work out there. You know what I mean? Like, I think even 2 years ago, I don't think you could pay me $1 million goddamn dollars to go to art show or like a sale like that, but every one I do is getting better and better and better. Just if you're uncomfortable, just act silly, you know what I mean? Just do whatever you got to do to make yourself comfortable. So since I mentioned my paintings and stuff in that video to the lady there, you know, I used to use lots of charcoal. Actually, look, these are all charcoal pencils I got from when I used to paint. I just dropped them all over the floor. But I used to do charcoal and I just did black and white. Then that lady that I said that brought color into my world, she's from Australia, and when I did the black and white, she came over and looked because I wanted to get an opinion of another artist, and she said maybe I should try adding some color, a little bit of color to each of my paintings or charcoal drawings. So I did, and I evolved from there. Painting never really worked for me, guys. I was never a drawer, you know what I mean? I still can't draw a stick man. Well, maybe a stick man, just not a running stick man. You know, so I'm going to show you some pictures here of my paintings. I'm going to try and track some. I gotta look. I think I got some in Dropbox or something like that, but I'm going to try and find some dark ones, just with no color in it when I first started. And then you'll see how my color progressed. And then I finally decided I'm going to try a shot at wood carving. And I did that koi fish that I showed you guys. So anyways, hope everybody's good. It just goes to show you, like, anybody can go to a market and they're wood carving, guys. They don't have to be goddamn rocket ships. Thanks. And sorry guys, I meant to say that stuff about like my paintings, how I was doing painting and I moved on to carving. My point was, you know, like if you're carving and it's not working for you, try painting. If you're painting and it's not working for you, I don't know, try making candles. Try finding something that works for you. You know what I mean? If you find something that works for you, you'll want to get better and better and better and never give up. You know what I mean? Something that makes you happy. Okay, that was my point. So I hope you enjoy my old paintings. You'll see they go darker to, you know, like dark colors. And then I'll start putting some color into them. So, okay guys, later. Bye. Yeah.